Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Sip Easy. So what is the best tenure for your SIP? 5 years, 8 years, maybe 10 years? As a thumb rule, you must plan to continue your SIP as long as you can. We know that equities have potential to give inflation-beating returns, but they are also volatile and hence risky over short terms. So the longer you stay invested, the more likely you stand to gain from your investment. Plus, you also get the benefit of power of compounding. Alternatively, you may also look at your goals to decide the tenure of your SIP. Say if your goal is to buy a new car or down payment of your home or create retirement income, etc., then you need to continue your SIP till at least the realization of your goal. This way, when you stay invested through various market cycles, you are giving your investment the best chance to earn potential returns and at the same time reduce the risk of market volatility on your investment. So if you are thinking SIP, then definitely think long term. And remember, SIP bhi zindagi ki tarah hai. The longer we work on something, more are the chances of success. So, when are you starting your SIP? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.